Void player.
Good check.
Hirap 20 pag ibang role.
Nakakalungkot lang pag nagbuhos ka
Saan
laban.
tayo dito, Sep?
Southeast, southeast.
kami
Gigaboots ako.
Pa-ano ako, pa-mark ako dyan.
Ay, sorry pre, nasaya.
Sige lang. Wait lang. We go southeast now. We go southeast. No mounts sa map. We go southeast and we go southwest. Parang I'm on the ping side. Huy, nice.
Yung naka-druid
Go
goal na
southwest. Now we go northwest from. You go to middle, yeah? Yeah? You go to middle.
Uy, ba't ang pwede?
We go northwest.
Huwag mag-random light helmet.
There's nobody on the northwest. Uy. Oh, they're on the northwest side.
Isa lang yan.
Dali, madami sila. On top.
Yan. Sila.
Diyan sila.
Hold this for me.
May demon sila.
Okay, we're gonna Okay, nice one.
Napaka-bait lang yan.
Okay, now look at me, and look at the crown. We're gonna engage on the crown in 5, 4, 3,
Uy,
2,
gago!
1, engage on. Yeah.
Gago pre, ng polymer
Kasi na boys nyo, northeast side. We kite northeast side now. Trust me boys, northeast side. Para sa nag-engage eh. Keep kiting northeast side. Pakisang W's ako. No, northwest to the big stairs. Northwest to the big stairs. We have an engage on 5 ah. Get ready. Ang bilis ah. Okay, now look at me. We're gonna engage on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me now, boys. On the crown. Okay, now. Pakisang W's inside of them now.
Nakita mo ba yung silence ka doon?
Pre, ang sarap, gago.
Hindi na.
Kisang W's ako,
Reset daw.
Nagulat.
Stabilize northeast.
Mas survivable dun.
Isang block yan na.
Gong sarap ni 20 dun. Lazy lyrics. Oy, lumapag ako. Sabay lang kayo sa position ko.
Nag-great arcane ko yung dun yung 8. Kaya walang nakatayo lang sila.
Oo, tapos sinisnake.
Oy, don't catch ah. Ingat kayo boys. Ano ba color nila?
Nice.
Hindi na sila.
Okay. We go southeast on the southeast on me, boys. Southeast.
Ayun, dito sa liwanag doon meron ha.
Dito tayo kahit tayo southeast big stairs. Southeast big stairs. Nice hold. Kahit southeast big stairs. Kahit southwest now. Southwest on me. They're engaging. Nice. Okay. Now look, we're gonna counter on me. Look at me. We're gonna counter on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Inside of us. Nice one. Okay now. We go northeast now. Northeast. We change positions. Northeast. Get ready defensives. Ah. Okay.
Full brawl yata sila.
They're engaging now. Wait. Sorry. They're full brawl. Wow. They're engaging now. Defensive. Nice heals, nice supports. Okay, now we have an engage on 6 in 5. Okay. We keep Q's and W's inside of them now. We're gonna engage on the northeast side. We're gonna engage northeast side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me now, boys. On. Uy! Nice.
Mali yun.
Yan. Sige, Q's and W's. Vlad, nakita ko yun. Q's and W's now. We have an engage on 19.
Reset na raw.
Lagi ang paa.
Okay na, pre.
Gago, akala ko reset!
What? Hello?
Ano yun? Kala ko reset.
Kaya mo na, sige, okay lang yan. Sa tawag mo. Ayan. Sige, continue.
8 lang.
Ayoko na eh.
Sorry daw, sige. Nag-sorry daw.
Bawi na lang.
Okay na lang. Pre, hindi. Alam mo kasi, we
Tawirin mo na. Kinukorner ka
Go
na.
southwest.
Masyadong masikip yung
Dito push. Sorry.
Hindi, bumalik sila southwest.
Oh, we go northeast now. We go northeast. Nasa ping. Northeast.
Oh, may brawler. May brawler
Great
sila, may
arcade nila.
brawler.
Ako lang ina-arcade ng...
Ay, game na ata to.
Okay, we kiss and doubles inside of them now. We kiss and doubles. Look on me. We're gonna engage inside of you. Oh, wait lang. We're gonna engage. I'm gonna catch. Look on me. We're gonna engage. Ano na, polyform mo.
Mali.
Okay na, we're gonna catch. I'm gonna engage.
Mamalaya pa
Slide.
mo, mamalaya pa mo.
Gago na yun. Moving. Sorry. Naging greedy. Get ready, engage. Ayan na, engage sila. Shit.
No,
Okay,
tangina.
northeast. Reset natin. Sorry.
Oh, spread! Ginagawa nyo guys, spread!
Reset.
And,
Stop.
seryoso na po. Sorry po.
Ano ginagawa nyo doon, pre? Nag-engage lang kayo, tapos lahat kayo nag-e-side.
Back to me.
Ginagawa nyo.
You go south. You go small space.
Ano, nanalo lang kayo na isang beses na braindead na kayo.
We go here. Regroup to me.
Asan yung mga night helmets nyo? Asan yung mga cleanses nyo?
Regroup to me. I'm here.
Patay ako. Hindi ko kayo na marinig.
Regroup to me. Regroup to me. Just stay here on the crossroads, okay? Regroup kayo dun. Wait daw din sila.
Try natin na agad yung position sa taas. Control ko.
Okay? Wait lang daw sila.
Oh, dito tayo po position, sir.
Hindi, wait lang. Bisid sila yun. Gati ko,
Hindi po, gusto ko na.
SWs na to ha. Ayaw
Hindi naman natin yung muna yan. Yan. Sundan nyo na yung crowd. Go, follow the crowd. Ginagawa nyo.
To the big stairs southwest.
Hello, naririnig niyo ba si Reference?
Southwest ng big stairs. We stay here. This will be our position. Stay here.
Reconnect daw eh. Wait lang daw.
Uy. Sino follower?
May brawl
Favor
party
naman.
sila.
Favor naman sa mga brawlers. Pwede pa brawl nung ano nila, Great Arc. Pa-brawl nung Great Arcane na. Ayan, yung may mark. Lagyan ko na ng mark.
Nag-GA diff ka ba?
Pre, ako lang gini-GA mag-isa ang puta. Para hindi ko ma-GA yung perma. Gagawa niyang offensive.
I love them.
Pero man charger, Adi.
Kasi sayang yung 17 minutes.
Dito na lang ako.
Ay, gago na pag-put siya.
Okay lang ba na dito ako magiging? Hi, Berna. Kamusta?
Oy.
Gina voice. Come to me.
Game na daw.
Oh, yeah. Come to me, no voice. Come to me. Okay? Spread. Now, kiss and W's. Kiss and W's ito si Karagi Asha, boy. Wait daw.
Bago na gano'n na, shape-shift na siya.
Wait lang just get ready. Healer supports
Sige, kiss and double yung pumapasok.
Kung ano nila, mark, yung may mga mark.
Hello, Fred? Ba't kayo nasa crown nakapatong?
Spread kayo sa taas, malaki position niyo. Okay, we well ready now? Okay, now look southeast. We're gonna engage southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito, big. Okay, kiss and double. Get ready, they have an engage. Okay, keep kiss and double. Push northeast, boys. push Northeast. Huwag kayo masyadong malayo sa front, push Northeast.
Wala, brawl party na lang, brawl party na lang natitira.
Brawl party na lang. Sige, push and double niya, boys.
Patay na yung main DPS nila eh.
Copy, we have an engage. Right, ano? We have an engage. We're gonna engage inside of us in
Reset
5.
taro, reset taro.
Reset daw,
Reset,
reset daw.
reset, reset.
Ba't ito naman?
Pwede. Lang,
Ayun nga, ayun nga.
Patay yung main, ano nila, main damage.
Matay yung main healer, yung healers din nila eh.
Patay din yung perma nila eh. Saka yung Donsong.
We position Northeast side. We position Northeast side. Go Northeast. Push.
Nalow sa'yo yung perma nila.
Oh, please lang spread. Kasi kung nakikita nyo nang kayo yung mukhang igaklam,
May
pag kay night helmet.
Tawag na.
Spread. Spread.
Dito na ata sila.
May demon
Ready
na.
na ba?
Diyan sila, diyan sila, diyan sila, diyan sila. Ayun sila, tingnan
Okay, kiss and W's,
nyo.
kiss and W's, kiss and W's, kiss and W's. Kiss and W's, boys. Kiss and W's, kiss and W's. Push southwest, push southwest, push southwest. Push
Great Arcade.
southwest. Knock on me. Knock on me, we're gonna engage on me. 5, 8, na-hold kayo ng konti. Get ready, boys, get ready. We're gonna engage southwest of you. We're gonna engage southwest of you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me, big. Konti ba? Nice one, delete. Nice delete, nice delete. Okay, kiss and W's, may engage yung ano nila. Get ready, get ready. Kiss and W's, there's that engage, there's that engage. Nice sustain now, boys.
Cancel ko yung
Nice sustain.
armor ko.
Pick up. Nice sustain. Okay, now we have an engage on 10 seconds. On a mere 10 seconds, boys. Just keep holding your E's. Keep P's and W's. Okay, now we have an engage west. Get ready, DPS. Ready, DPS.
Wait lang.
Ready, we're gonna engage west in 5,
Okay, ready.
3, 2, 1, on the choke now. On the choke. Ano, marunong na rin kayo maganap ng Keep P's and W's. Keep P's and W's. Oh, reset daw. Stop hitting. Reset daw.
Patayin nyo na low.
Namatay pa yung isa.
Let's go northeast ulit. Tatalitan ka.
Yo, wag na patay si Luis.
Patayin niya.
Isog si Louis.
Pa-check ka,
Wala
ano
napatay.
patay? Master ata nila yan eh.
Hindi. Ang guild master nila si Void Mother to. Yan yung nakalagay sa kanila.
The void.
Gusto kong ginagawa.
Awa ka, sir.
Go northeast. Bakit? Go northeast tayo. Northeast pa tayo. Bigyan natin ng konting espasyo. Tayo naman yung magpapapin sa wall. Tapos sila yung ay, ganun. Mala submissive shoot. Let's go northeast pa. Hug tayo sa wall. Hug kayo sa wall. Diyan sa north. Yeah. Bigyan natin yung yung madami sa kanila.
Nakabalik na sila.
Ito, no?
Ewan ko, hindi yata nag-work yung two colors nila. Brawl and Clap Party.
Nag-brawl and cup sila. Why?
Arthur.
Hinati nila yung 16 yata nila.
8 ang pangit nun, bro.
Okay na ito, ready na ito to eh.
Ready na. Puno, andito na sila lahat.
Wait lang. Okay, just
Chosen
3
na
ako.
sila.
Ready na to.
Ready na.
Okay, keep using W's na now. Keep using W's now. Get ready, mag-engage yan. Ayan na yung engage sila. Whoa. Okay, now we're gonna counter west side. We're gonna counter west side of that engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find me. Pangit ng engage ko. Sorry, boys. Kiss and W's now. Look, help the backline. Ayan na, nag-HOJ. Pa-heals lang. Nice sustain now, boys. Kiss and W's kay Louis Lit. May engage tayo in 5. May engage natin sila. Get ready. Nice sustain. Nakasustain tayo. Trust me on this one. Okay, we have engage. Hello?
Ready.
Ready. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. DPS ko. Konti pa? Okay, nice. Okay, Kiss and W's nyo. Go northwest. To the big choke northwest. Pasok kayo ng northwest choke. Get ready, yan ang engage sila. Okay, get ready, we have an engage, yes? Look at the front. 3 seconds, okay, we're gonna engage now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage on me.
Reset na to.
Wala na, reset muna to.
Walang DPS. Patay apat.
Reset nyo na.
Reset. Go north.
Ito yun oh. Clamp sila lahat. Dito.
Let's go southeast. Let's go southeast. Let's go southeast. I am not comfortable with
May Airtron ba sila? May Airtron ba sila?
Meron.
Meron. Yun yung color ng kaya yung color ng Brawler. Come to me boys, I'm here. Come to me boys, I'm here. Come to me boys, I'm here. Okay. Di na tayo, no?
Di natin.
Pag naman ang hit yan, ha? Let him go back. Let him go back. Let him go back. Then we go
Ba't
southwest,
umaangat
southwest.
kayo
Hold
agad?
on. Let's go southwest from here. Let's go southwest from here. Southwest kayo, southwest kayo, southwest kayo, southwest kayo. Southwest kayo. Keep walking southwest.
Fort-
Layo mo, Fort Rate.
Fort
Balik
Rate.
muna kayo, balik muna kayo. Back south. Back south, Benti. Malayo si Fort Rate.
Sa kabila yung ano.
Back south, okay. Yan, ready na. Complete na tayo. Okay, we go.
Nandito
look
sila,
na-
par nga, par.
We're gonna engage.
Hindi nyo,
We're gonna engage on me. Maghahatak lang ako. Wait lang. We're gonna engage on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Itong mga nahatak. Wala. Joke lang. Joke lang. Okay, wala. Okay. Get ready. Defensives, ah. Gusto ko sila muna mag-engage. Sila na muna mag-engage. Kiss and double siya. Ang daming. Okay. Defensives now. Okay, now we're gonna counter that shit. We're gonna counter northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito, big. It's big. Konti pa. Okay, kiss and doubles na. Kiss and doubles. Kahit nung backline ko, baka nalulung sila, nalulunga. Kiss and doubles na. Sige, kiss and doubles na. DPS, how are you? Kiss and doubles na. Get ready, may engage.
Get to engage you.
Get ready, engage. Na-engage sila. I feel it. You're engaged. Okay, nice one. Okay, now we're gonna counter it lang. Tapusin lang natin Earth nila. We're gonna counter west side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now.
Oh, shit!
Nice one. Nice one. Sige, kiss and doubles. Push them northeast. Get ready, meron pa silang hodge. Get ready, they have still a hodge. Get ready. Okay, kiss and doubles. Uy, nag-transform. Kiss and doubles. Oh, reset daw. Let's go. Reset. Go southwest ng big ground.
Sa atin ba yung ano, yung Dawnbird na yun?
Oh,
Nasa puti sa salad, oh.
bakit? Ang kate?
Yung light color?
Hindi ah. Yung light color.
Oo.
Kahit potato salad sa akin, bakit? Sa atin?
Eh, gusto ko lang sabihin tapos na yung clamp ni Seperen sa kanil bumabagsak yun.
Hirap timing.
Kulang yan.
Hindi ko siya ma-instant ano. Tinatry kong sa 3 pa lang magbitaw pero
Ano yun, di ba? Tawag
Hirap
niya.
Lang, mahirap to. Solo ano talaga yun, kaibigan.
parang solo
Solo
bomb.
bomb.
Pang finish siya.
Sino ka itong ikot? Sino ba pwedeng makinig? The poor boy. Go southeast pa.
May dalawang instances na malakas yung light color. May dalawang instances lang yan.
Baba kayo ng big stairs. Baba kayo big stairs. Gipitin natin yung sarili natin para malaman natin kung ano yung feeling ng ginigipit. Baba kayo ng big stairs. Baba kayo big stairs.
Alam ko na severance.
Baba kayo dito. We'll hold this crossroads.
Sad girl naman. 7 minutes na lang.
Dal-
Bago, nag-stop.
We hold this. Yun na, ba't sila nag forward? O, baba kayo. Then we go northwest to that small stairs. Up the small stairs. Ayoko nang dinidikit
Ay,
ang
tanong ko nga.
Yun na, i-earn na.
Okay, we walk southwest. Okay, we walk southwest. Keep kiss and W's, we walk southwest. Engage sila, wala naman. Panis. Okay, now we're gonna counter that engage. We're gonna look inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on me now. Hindi pa. Nice one, boys. I love it. I fucking love it. Now push them back southwest. Get ready for an engage. You have an engage in 10 seconds, okay, boys? Keep pushing them down southwest, boys. Southwest. Keep pushing them back southwest pa. Okay, nag-engage yung troll party nila. I think nothing. Okay, now get ready. Nagta-transform na dapat.
Growth bond na.
Nila, pero wala. Okay, copy that. Now look on the crown. Looking ha. Copy. Engaging now. Okay, now we're gonna counter that engage. We're gonna counter that in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Big. It's big. And I like that fucking tumama ka. I love it. Kiss and W's now. Inside of us now. Daming nakikipalibay, daming nagbabarol ng backline natin. Okay, kiss and W's please. Kahit position yourself. Okay, kiss and W's. Sige, pagipit tayo dito sa may northeast. Pagipit tayo northeast, okay? They're engaging. Nice one. Okay, now we're gonna counter that. Look west on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me now, boys. On me. It's big. It's big.
Mario, wala akong ano.
Continue.
Paano?
Sorry. Masyadong early yung call ko. Sige, sorry. Sige na tang. Okay, now height northwest of that stairs. Now actually, we push them southwest. They have an engage on 5, ah. Get ready. They have an engage on 5. Kiss and WC. Ayan na. Nakakaramdam na ako ng engage nila. Get ready, boys. Get ready. Ready our DPS, no? Ready ang DPS natin, no?
Ready.
Wait lang.
Engage.
Wait lang.
Hindi pa,
Okay,
10
we're gonna
seconds pa
engage
yung
on the...
bird.
Sige. Wait, pero we're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the small stairs now. On the small stairs. On Lewis. Okay, now, nadali yung isa, nadahali yung duha. Okay, now, Kiss and W's on Lewis now.
Next engage, meron na ulit ah.
Copy. Back east side. Back south side. Southeast side. Back southeast. Well, ito kay home long. Walang nagkikis and doubles kay home long and the other shit. Huwag kayo bababa ng stairs, please. Ayan na yung engage sila. Nice. Oh, shit. Na-sustain.
Wala po,
Okay, now we're gonna count.
GNA nila yung sarili
Go
nila
northwest.
engage.
Push northwest.
May HOJ may HOJ sa kita natin.
Boots northwest now. We're gonna engage northwest in 5,
Wait lang na,
Four.
huwag kami.
3, 2, 1. Shit.
Ano.
Sige, kiss and double. Get ready. Back southeast kayo. Mag-engage yan. May engage siya in 5.
Looking HOJ.
Get ready, ah.
HOJ.
Back tayo southeast. Hold ako ng mga ano yan. Step. Kaya na engage sila. Wala. Nice. Okay. DPS, how are you?
Ready.
You're fine. Okay, we're gonna engage. We push northwest. Boots, may boots tayo, no? We boots northwest. Boots northwest na. Goody, boys. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's big on me. Keep pushing them back. Low na sila no? Oh, reset daw. Don't it. Reset na. Go back middle. Yan, napatay natin dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan.
GNA niya yung sarili nilang
Hindi, GA muna, tapos nung hihigupin na pre, walang nahigop kasi na GA. Tapos, late na yung ano. Tama yung pagbagsak nila kaso GA muna eh. So, wala na yung clamp.
yung long.
Wala na yung clamp, so yung ibang debuff di na pumasok. Kasi na GA.
Pre, lagi ito malalim.
Baka maaga lang talaga yung...
Control nyo to lagi ito malalim. Tapos yung home long. Lagi nakatingin yan sa akin.
Ang nakatingin dyan is parati yung ano, tawag nito, yung HOG, tsaka yung...
Baka GH yung ano nila.
Crash ako po ta. Yan, nag-ano sila talaga, practice.
I need lang copy.
Pwede ba lakihan yung ano ko, yung mga buttons? Alam mo, hindi ko napipindot eh.
Ano, pwede yan!
Sa phone, di pwede yun ah.
Hindi pa pwede.
Pwede yan.
Ready, go southeast.
One more daw, one more.
One more. This is our last 2 minutes, boys. 2 minutes of glory, 2 minutes of fame. Okay, now push west ng konti, northwest. Push ng
Wait.
Wait daw.
Gago 2
Sabi niyo,
minutes
2
na
minutes.
lang.
Timer is 2 minutes. Spread muna kayo. Spread northeast.
Spread
Northeast.
northeast.
Naka-choke na kayo dyan eh.
Ready na daw. Okay. Uy, Vlad!
Bago ka, Blood.
Okay, question W's nyo. Vlad, I'm waiting for your engage, ah. Yan, engage sila.
15 second na ako.
15 seconds lang, ah. Hintayin natin yung kay Vlad. Gusto ko yung maklap tayo, okay? Okay, now look on the crown. We're gonna engage on the crown now. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the crown. Kahit wala ka pala, pre. Kiss and doubles nyo. Sige, kiss and doubles nyo. Push them. Help our backline. Help our backline ito. Inaano yung backline natin. Ano, konti.
1 minute pa lang arena natin.
Copy, go southeast kayo. Huwag kayo pupush ng choke. Sorry.
Benedetta,
Sige,
balik
push
ka.
natin. Well, okay, we push. We're gonna engage.
Sige, engage ka muna.
We're gonna engage in 5,
Engage mo na.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ito.
Highlights.
Sorry, done. Thanks. GG's kasi novels yun.
Balik na kayo, okay na yun, balik na kayo.
Stop na daw. GG's, balik na kayo. Hayaan nyo na. Alliance is alliance, kapatid.
Extra kill, extra kill. Lahat ako napatay. Kunti lang napatay ko.
Kung inailan tong nadali natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hindi pa ako
7, 8,
namatay. Putang ina.
8. Putang galing mo. Yan na.
Dapat mag-death tank ako doon eh. Nagko-practice ako mag-death tank.
Isa pa ba?
Wala na,
Hindi
GG's
natin-
na lang.
Kailangan ko one
Ay,
more
naman.
game pa yun. One more engage lang pala.
Dami kasing wait